Jole, Jole, thank you. It's here.
શું આવ્યું અંદર?
લિપસ્ટિક આવી છે. કેન યુ ગેસ કેટલાની હશે લિપસ્ટિક?
1000 રૂપિયાની હશે.
ટ્રાય અગેન. વન લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ ટ્રાય અગેન. કેટલાની હશે?
2000.
ના. It's 3100.
એટલી મોંઘી શું કામ વાપરે છે તો?
3100.
નીલ લખ્યું છે એના.
So I did not. I paid for it. I don't know. Oh my god. So we are back at another shoot right here. The trouble is, this camera it picks up better colors as compared to the one that I'm filming on. So I'll take photos from this and I'll put you guys somewhere far away so y'all can see the photo shoot. So this is my shoot again. I've changed locations and the background is this flowers that have dropped from the tree and just looks fabulous. Wait till you see how the pictures turn out because I bet you it's gonna look fab. So I'm out here again. क्या हो गया जूली? Julia, 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 Julia. With a tripod. Of course, I have another shoot that I need to do. Oh no, उसके बाल चिपक जाएंगे कपड़े पे. रुक जा तू. हाँ, क्या हुआ? लगाती ना मैं, रुक जा. हाथ लगाती. नहीं, I can't. अरे, I have to just finish this.
અચ્છા અચ્છા હા 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 નથી બર્થડે થશે
तो अब क्या हो रहा है? Who are you calling? Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding? What are you doing? ऐसा क्या कर रहा है?
તું જ જો ને લે બંધ કર તો હું બતાવું તને પેલા ઈ બંધ કર.
What are you doing? Look at that. 11:22 p.m.
હા તો ઈ એના એટલે મતલબ એના માટે જ મેં કીધું ચલો દિવાળી પછી કરવાનો.
There's nothing, mommy. Mommy.
અચ્છા 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 હા હા અને આજે ફોન કર્યો પણ એને હજી કાંઈ મળ્યું નથી.
क्या कर रहे हैं? हाँ, क्या कर रहे हैं? मैं खोलूं दरवाजा? लो मैं खोल देती दरवाजा, खोल।
अच्छा से पकड़ना।
कैसे पकड़ रहा? गिर जाएगा। राशन है महीने का,
साल का।
साल का अपन।
बोल ले कंटेंट है। ये जुली और मैट
जाने दो उसको, क्यों उंगली कर रहा है बेचारी जूलिया को?
ले कंटेंट में।
धूप में रखना है रोहित, उसको धूप में सुखाना है। वाह वाह, गेहूं तो देखो मस्त आए। Who was it?
बंद कर तो।
मम्मी ओपन दिस ना पैकेज, जरा જોઈએ। We got some pajamas from Amazon. लाइट चालू करते हैं। Is it good? Try to get a cheaper pajamas this time than ordering like 1600K. So let's see how these are. Oh, these are shorts. They're nice. Considering यहाँ पे तो दिसंबर जैसा कुछ है ही नहीं. We live in the tropical region. Oh, that is also nice. The Queen's Gambit. Oh, the fabric is really good actually. Only 3? I thought they were like set of 4. This gives Paris Hilton vibes. Absolutely. The pink is Paris pink. कैसे कर रहा रेखा भाई? डर गई मैं।
तू डर गई, काय के लिए डर गई? ये देख तेरे बाल।
मेरे बाल झड़ रहे, मैं क्या करूं? डर गई बेकार में। अब जोक मारो। मेरे को एंटरटेन करने के लिए जोक मारो, जोक।
तेरे को क्या लगा तेरे दादाजी आए अंदर से?
Oh my God! तो मैं डर के सही में भाग जाऊं। बचाओ बचाओ। Hi, hello. I just got back inside and lighting इतना ज़्यादा harsh है कि I can't. There's so much going on. There's construction. There's Bartan. There's मेरा भाई and Rekha bhai both going at it. Lighting was so harsh, I had to just come inside. So we're not gonna the shoot is not gonna happen right now. Probably 4 baje आसपास sunset के वक्त. That is happening. And this other thing I want to talk to you about. I've been living in this house. This is the dullest room in this entire house. I'm gonna spice this wall up. We're gonna order some art. Happywagon.com. Hello, how are? Sponsor me. I saw a couple of artworks that I absolutely love, so we're gonna figure out if we can like just get some posters. I don't want frames because anyways frames के लिए खीले ठोकने पड़ेंगे and we don't have खीले in the wall, and so we're just gonna roll with the posters. That's about it. If you know any good illustrators who sell artwork, let me know. Let's support some more illustrators and local brands. How बोलो how? है ना, लोग पागल है ना। People don't like my chuddi. That's the problem. नहीं। मम्मी किधर गई? मम्मी भाग गई।
कोरोना शहर में अभी लॉकडाउन लगने वाला है, हमारी पगार दो, हमको घर को बैठ के भी पगार दो।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मैं तो करती हूँ, घर पे बैठ के काम करती हूँ, बहुत काम कराते हैं।
हमको गाड़ी में से ना लोगों के संपर्क में आ जाते हैं, हमको हमारे घर के बर्तन कपड़े ला के दे, हम
वो तो केस नहीं, ऐसे मत बोलो। वो तो केस अगर होते बहुत तो मैं आप लोग तो सब छुट्टी पे थे ही ना, ये नहीं झूठ नहीं बोलना। आप लोग छुट्टी पे थे ना जब बहुत केसेस थे अमरावती में कोरोना के।
मैं सिर्फ 10 दिन रही थी।
वो तो आप बाहर के बाहर ही थे ना, आपका तो काम बाहर के बाहर।
ये ज्यादा रही है।
वो तो क्योंकि ले रखा भाई, शादी में जाते थे कोरोना में, शादी में गौर से देखिए ये औरत. Hello, you beautiful people. Came to Bada Wednesday. I want to end this vlog, but I have an announcement. Couple of them. So far, my mom and dad were distracted because of the granddaughter that came in, Navya, and so इतना ध्यान नहीं था मेरे पे. But now the focus has shifted. So the previous 2 clips about me doing 2-3, that was them talking to and inquiring about guys, which is kind of scary for me personally. So officially लड़का ढूंढना चालू हो गया है. That is happening, and the whole chaos was about, so there are 2 things in my community. एक होती है बड़ी वाली बुक और एक होती है मंथली मैगजीन. मंथली मैगजीन में पीछे वो लोग इश्तिहार छापते हैं. दैट आई थिंक आई शोड यू पब्लिश्ड इन अ मैगजीन. एक वीडियो किया था मैंने. वो ही मैगजीन में दे आर trying to put my biodata again to find a guy. And then the second one, the big networking वाली जो मैगजीन होती है, big one, उसमें भी उनको डालना है. तो वो दोनों इसके लिए नया बायोडेटा बनाया गया था. एंड बायोडेटा कौन बना रहा है? Moy, your girl, your sister, in the house. And I accidentally forgot to put my birth date. I just put my age but forgot to put my birth date, and they sent the biodata out to the publication, both to print it in both of them. So the chaos was all about that, we have to rectify the mistake. And somebody also reached out. So there are other WhatsApp groups as well for this matrimonial thing, and somebody reached out कि आपने आपके बेबी का birth date नहीं लिखा है. And I'm like, okay. So that happened. And my phone, this is the sad part about this, my phone is चार्ज नहीं हो रहा है. मैं इंग्लिश में चालू करती हूँ और भूल जाती हूँ क्या बोलना है, फिर मैं हिंदी में करती हूँ. फ़ोन चार्ज नहीं हो रहा. मेरा नया फ़ोन है. दैट मीन्स आई हैव टू गिव दिस बैक टू द कंपनी एंड आई गोना रिपेयर इट एंड देन सेंड इट बैक टू मी. सो देयर वुड बी नो ब्लॉग्स फॉर एटलीस्ट अनदर 10 days. More updates on my Instagram. Please follow me there. That's about it for the updates. I will keep you guys in the loop. 2021, we are expecting to get engaged or get married. At least my mom is. I don't know for myself. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, everyone, aujo.